Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Lini Hajunsu. Today I'm reviewing the SHEGLAM Genius Eyebrow Stamp in the shade Chocolate. If you have ever struggled to get your brows just right, this product might be a game changer. It claims to give you perfect eyebrows in just a minute. Let's explore what makes it stand out. First off, let's talk about the packaging. The SHEGLAM Genius Eyebrow Stamp comes in a sleek, compact design that feels sturdy, making it perfect for travel. It includes 2 soft plastic spoolies and 10 flexible brow-shaped stencils of various shapes and sizes, ensuring they work easily for most people. The product is housed in a sturdy plastic case that feels quite luxurious for the price. It twists open to reveal the high-quality sponge applicator, which holds the brow color in the cap. The sponge is cushiony and dispenses a generous amount of product, so be sure to apply it gently to avoid any mess due to its high pigmentation. It's ideal for quick touch-ups, providing a precise and neat application. This eyebrow stamp claims to give you perfectly shaped eyebrows in just 1 minute. How amazing is that? It's designed to be long-lasting and smudge-proof. It weighs 1.8 grams, providing enough product to last through plenty of uses. The stamp applicator comes in several shades. Today I'm using Chocolate, which should work well for my not too sparse, not too full eyebrows. The product is made in China. So to use, they tell you to simply press the stamp onto your brow area, ensuring it aligns with your natural shape. Right now, I'm checking which stencil matches my natural eyebrow shape the most. I'm using the spoolie so my eyebrow hair is shaped to fit in the stencil. To be honest, I'm realizing that it's quite tricky to fit your eyebrows in the stencil. The product claims to be fragrance-free, but it has faint Chinese makeup chemical smell. Nothing overwhelming, but you can smell it when you dig your nose into it. It's great for those who prefer minimal scents in their makeup. Its key ingredients include mineral oil and paraffin, which are generally safe but can occasionally irritate sensitive skin. It includes synthetic beeswax also, which helps with the waxy texture, and mica, which gives a subtle sheen. These ingredients are generally safe, but always patch test if you have sensitive skin. The sponge dispenses a lot of product in one go. It gave a good shape to my eyebrows, but why do I find it funny yet still like it? The eyebrow stamp's texture is smooth, with a waxy consistency that adheres well without feeling greasy or leaving a residue. It is ideal for quick application as it glides on effortlessly. Suitable for all skin types, including my dry and sensitive skin. One thing I found both convenient and frustrating about SHEGLAM's eyebrow stamp is that if you have any product on your skin, you can easily wipe it away with your finger and even clean up the shape of your eyebrows. However, the downside is that after applying it, the product transfers when touched, even after setting it with a setting spray. So, this product tends to transfer if you touch it, even hours after application. Anyway, I'm using a spoolie to even out the product and spread it evenly across my eyebrows, and it's looking good. The spoolie might remove some product from the sparse areas of your eyebrows, as it did with mine. But that's not a problem. I simply took a clean brush and blended that area with the eyebrow powder already on my eyebrows since it never fully sets. This product is versatile enough for most skin types and tones. My dry, sensitive skin has had no issues, and the shade matches a wide range of complexions. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: quick and easy application, ideal for busy mornings, suitable for a wide range of skin tones and types, comes in multiple shades, compact packaging, affordable, high quality sponge applicator that dispenses a generous amount of product, fills in sparse or thinning brows with good pigmentation, doesn't leave any greasy residue, easy to clean up. Cons: the product transfers, requires careful alignment for a natural look, which might be tricky for beginners, might require practice for the first few uses. The color range is somewhat limited. Finding the perfect match might require a bit of trial and error. The stencil sizes may not be suitable for everyone's brow shape, especially for those with smaller eyebrows. So, here I am after 6 hours, and this is how my brows look. The shape is still well maintained, though the color has lightened slightly. Even now, the product transfers a bit when touched. But overall, it's holding up decently. The SHEGLAM Genius Eyebrow Stamp is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to achieve quick and defined brows without much effort. It's especially great for those busy mornings when you need to get ready in a hurry. The packaging is compact, making it travel friendly, and the price point is excellent for the quality you are getting. However, it's not without its drawbacks, like the potential for transfer and the need for careful application to avoid a heavy-handed look. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable, convenient solution to simplify your eyebrow routine, the SHEGLAM Genius Eyebrow Stamp is worth a try. It delivers on most of its promises, making it a solid choice for everyday use. I would recommend it to anyone, particularly those who prefer a softer, more natural brow look. I'm giving it a 4 out of 5 stars, and I will definitely be ordering it again. Thanks for watching. If you have tried the SHEGLAM Genius Eyebrow Stamp, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beauty tips and reviews. See you in the next video.